In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to batch convert media files in VLC Media Player. So all you have to do is open up the media menu at the top left corner and then select where it says open multiple files, select add, and then just add or upload all the files you want to put in here. And you want to select the arrow right next to play, click the drop down on that, and select where it says convert. Then underneath profile, click the drop down and you can select what file format you want it to be converted into. And then you would select start to begin the conversion process, and it shouldn't take very long here. And then the converted files will be saved in the same directory as the original ones, and that's pretty much it. And then you have to click the play button to allow it to play through here, and it's going to begin converting the files. Just please be patient. And once it's done loading down there, it means it's all been converted. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.